Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Trinidad fish broth. Start by rinsing fish and trimming scales and fins, then gather fresh herbs, whole spices, root vegetables, and aromatics. Use firm white fish, moderate salt, and a gentle simmer to extract flavor without clouding the broth. Skim foam, add chopped chadon bini or cilantro near the end, and finish with a squeeze of lime for brightness. Gather all ingredients before you start to keep the process smooth and stress-free. Rinse and trim fish, peel and chop dasheen or yam, and slice onions, garlic, and peppers. Tie whole spices in cheesecloth for easy removal and bruise herbs to release oils. Keep a lime and salt nearby so you can adjust seasoning at the end for the perfect Trinidadian flavor profile and comforting aroma. Begin with cool water and bring ingredients to a low, steady simmer to draw out delicate flavors without clouding the broth. Cook root vegetables until tender, then gently nestle fish pieces in the simmering liquid for only a short time. Taste and adjust salt, then stir in minced herbs and a splash of lime to lift the broth. Serve hot with bread or rice for a comforting, coastal meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.